Hello, thanks everybody for joining us today for our reliability and visibility webinar. My name is Charlie DeHoney. I'm the CEO of Freight Mango, a digital freight marketplace that's automating all of the elements of global trade and bundling the services that importers need to move their products around the world. Happy to be here as the moderator with some of the brightest minds in logistics technology and visibility in particular. And I know everybody's eager to get going on the topics today, so Kyle Henderson, CEO of Vizion. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Charlie. As you said, CEO of Vizion. I'm also one of the co-founders. We've been in the market for about 4 years now, and what Vizion focuses on is providing easy, instant access to ocean visibility data. So those types of events, vessel arrived, container discharged, et cetera, et cetera. And we do it in a way that makes it very easy to work with the data. Modern APIs supports this transition to all infrastructure being in the cloud and getting connected to your partners very quickly.
Awesome. Excited to get your guys' perspective today on what we're seeing. Next up with RPA Labs is Glenn Lau.
Hello, Charlie. Hi, everyone. Great to be here. I'm the VP of Sales for RPA Labs. RPA Labs is a newly founded company. We've been around for about 2 years. We focus on helping logistics company automate their manual processes. The thing that we're focused on is to help them to automate documents, conversations, and some workflow. We have quite an interesting product around visibility, and we'll be happy to discuss further with the team and the panelists.
Awesome. Thanks for being here, Glenn. Dan with Anvil.
A pleasure to be here. So name is Dan Magida, Senior Global Ops at Anvil. Anvil is a supplier relationship management platform that gives companies visibility into their production orders, manage their suppliers, and just ensure that everything in their first stages or later stages of production get to the correct warehouses or fulfillment centers.
Awesome. Thanks for being here, Dan. Last but not least, James Coombs with Vector AI.
Cool. Thanks, Charlie. Hello. James. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Vector AI. We remove the roadblocks to amazing operations for freight forwarders. So for us, in terms of visibility, a lot of what we do is we deal with things like internal visibility at a freight forwarder and help teams work together. We've been going for almost 3.5 years now, and yeah, happy to be here.
Awesome. All right. Well, I think we've got a pretty broad swath across the industry of service providers and folks that are reaching out and spending time discussing with shippers and BCOs, the current needs of the market. So really excited to get going. For the context today, I think we just all want to agree that enhanced visibility is what's helping companies track their performance, make better decisions, and ultimately meet their customers' expectations. And with all of the claims about data reliability and many companies out there having raised lots of money recently around the idea of providing the highest quality data, what we're seeing is with the global complexity around supply chain today, we're seeing that the success of this organization, these visibility initiatives, all comes down to the quality of the data. So none of us would be here talking about this today if the current systems in place were as reliable as the customers expected them to be. And with Amazon continuing to innovate and drive customer expectation and really steer the story and conversation around global trade and e-commerce, let's just jump right in and start talking about what about the current systems are broken and how are we all driving better quality processes and quality information through our businesses. So first, we'll start off. I'd love to hear from Dan at Anvil how customers are looking further upstream in the supply chain maybe than we've thought about previously in the visibility conversation, and how some of that better upstream quality information is helping organizations produce better results.